Hello everyone, I'm Sonam Sandhu from PTE Made Easy. And this video is all about repeat sentence of PTE speaking module. I know many of you are confused in this particular module and you do not know how to perform this particular question type. You get stuck in so many questions and you get 5 to 6 questions of such. So basically करना क्या है repeat sentence में? Repeat sentence में there is a very good strategy and that is LMS. Listen, memorize and speak. This is very important. Here you get the score not only for speaking module but also for listening module. Actually 30 to 32 marks you get just for speaking module and you get 19 to 20 marks for listening module. So that means this is an integrated task. And here you are getting scores for listening and speaking both the modules. Now try to understand. This is the most important task amongst all because this is the one which is giving you somewhere around 50 marks. Out of like you get 90 marks in each and every module. है ना? In all the four modules. Out of 90, think about it, 50 marks, 30 to 32 marks only for speaking module and 90 to 20 marks you're going to get for listening module. So please focus on this task and watch the full video until the end. So first of all guys, here we are going to talk about repeat sentence strategy. Here you simply need to listen to the task properly. Please do not get distracted. Focus on the task. You're going to get total of 5 to 6 questions like such. So the first step is to listen to the task. Then you need to memorize it. And at the end, you are going to repeat the same. Now try to focus on the content, fluency and pronunciation. Try to speak like the way the speaker spoke. So basically, it's all about imitating the speaker in this particular task. So you are going to listen a question like such. For example, a computer virus destroyed all my files. Okay. Now you are going to revise it, memorize in such a manner. A computer virus destroyed all my files. How will you speak it up? A computer virus destroyed all my files. In a similar manner, look at question number 2. A lot of agricultural workers came to the East End to look for alternative work. Now, if you find any important word here, you are going to focus on that word more. For example, a lot of agricultural workers came to the East End to look for alternative work. It's all about speaking at a natural pace, speaking at a normal pace without any unnecessary pauses and without any pronunciation mistake because they are going to judge your fluency, they are going to judge the pronunciation, they want to see the way you focus on the content. If you are unable to memorize everything in a single sentence, you always get a erasable sheet and a marker. So simply use that erasable laminated sheet and write it down. A lot of agricultural workers, if you remember it, simply write East End to look for alternative work. Okay, so a lot of agricultural workers came to the East End to look for agricultural work. Here you can also use the method of half and half. What is the half and half method? Half and half is the method in which you memorize half in your mind and the remaining half on the erasable booklet. For example, a periodical is a publication that is issued regularly. A periodical in the mind. Publication issued regularly on the booklet, on the erasable booklet. So a periodical is a publication that is issued regularly. Remember, when you are writing down the notes, try to focus on writing only the content words, not the helping verbs or the grammar part. A periodical is a publication that is issued regularly. A periodical is a publication that is issued regularly. So you simply need to speak at normal pace. This is something we follow for read aloud as well. If you are able to understand this particular task, you can easily do write from dictation as well in listening module because that is also one of the scoring tasks of PTE. So now repeat sentence is all about memorizing the half in your mind and the remaining half on the booklet. Simply do this and you're going to easily solve all the question types of this. So 50 marks are confirmed if you're going to follow this method. So I hope you have understood how do you need to attempt repeat sentence questions. Here in this video, we have focused on 3 questions, but I would like you to focus on the remaining as well. Please practice question number 4 and 5th at home. So guys, I have just explained this repeat sentence question type, and I have also discussed the half and half method and the LMS method. Now what you need to do simply for the same. Now you are going to practice the same at home. Question number 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. Once you are done with these 5 questions at home, you are simply going to WhatsApp us on the number given below. When you're going to WhatsApp us, will share the file in which we have total of 33 questions. So we'll share that PDF with you, and with the help of that PDF, you can practice the most repeated question type. Most repeated PT speaking repeat sentence question type. If you want that list of 33 most important questions, simply WhatsApp us on the numbers given below. Thank you so much. Bye bye.